एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आएगा एस्टिवेशन. एस्टिवेशन इज अरेंजमेंट ऑफ सेपल्स और पेटल्स को कहते हैं एस्टिवेशन. कि कैसे उनका अरेंजमेंट है. इनको हम इस टाइप से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं फ्लोरल डायग्राम में. सो arrangement of ध्यान से देखिए. वेन द सेपल एंड पेटल, सेपल और पेटल, दे सिंपली अटैच, नो ओवरलैपिंग. One is this type of arrangement. Another is this arrangement. That is, this is one sepal or petal. Its one side overlaps this, whereas this overlaps this, whereas this overlaps this, this overlaps this, and this overlaps this. This is a twisted arrangement. This is a valvate arrangement, and this is a twisted arrangement. There is one very interesting जिसका फ्लावर हमारे सिलेबस में भी है, वो है कि one is like this, it overlaps two, these overlaps two further, these overlap two further, which are joined with one another. One overlaps these two overlap further these two, and these two overlap, being overlapped by this. Got it? So, this type of arrangement is known as papillionate or vexillary. Once again, these are simply touching one another without any overlap. This is known as velvet. They are in a very particular fashion, they are twisting upon one another. Whereas here we have a arrangement that is not a specific. This arrangement is known as imbricate. Got it? There are four type of arrangement here given. One is the velvet, when they are touching each other without any overlap. Second, they are overlapping in a particular fashion. Third, they are not overlapping in a particular fashion. They are irregular in overlapping. Here they are not irregular, they are regular. Here one is overlapping two, they are further overlapping two. This type of arrangement is known as vexillary or papillionate. Got it? Now when you have learned them, although it requires practice, तो हमने इसको कैसे लर्न करना, VC, TC, IC, PP. VC, valid. Calotropis. Calotropis is example. TC, twisted China rose is the example. IC, Acacia is the example. P for Papuliaceae and P for P, मटर. मटर का अरेंजमेंट ऐसे होता है. आई थिंक क्लियर टू यू? समझिए. देयर आर वेरी अदरवाइज कॉम्प्लिकेशंस जो हमें समझ नहीं आएगा, इसलिए इस टाइप से आपने लर्न करना. VC, TC, IC. CC, C for Calotropis, C for China rose, C for Acacia, and P for P. I think clear to all of you?